Well, hey y'all, welcome to Throttle Power. In this video, I got something very interesting for you. Not only did I get a box of crap in the mail, I'm starting another group build. If you remember last year's group build started with a box of crap. Let's get this box of crap opened up and I'll tell you all about the group build. Well, Mark Batson over at Hobby Dude 007 and Luks Cee over at the Luks Cee Channel is hosting a group build called the Unified Scale Automotive Content Creators, USACC. What this group build is, it starts today, which is September 15th, and it ends January 15th. They've got a Facebook page. I think anyone can go to the Facebook page and follow along or join in. But what's neat about this group build, I'm a Mopar guy. I wore an appropriate t-shirt for this group build. Gives you a hint on what this is. Mark Batson has chose one of his favorite all-time cars, and that is a 70 GTX or 70 Roadrunner. What the group build rules are is you have to do a Monogram 70 GTX or a Revell 70 Roadrunner. There's Mark showing the models. And again, the group build starts September 15th and ends January 15th. Well, I didn't have one of these kits in stock, or in my stash, I should say. Just like last year, I didn't have the 40 Ford when I joined this group build. I got sent a box of crap to start off with and ended up doing 3 kits. Worked out pretty cool. So I didn't have this here model. I didn't have the Monogram GTX or the Revell Roadrunner. So old Luks Cee sent me another box of crap. Here's what we got in this box of crap. Okay, while I work on getting this box of crap opened up, I'll let you guys know what YouTubers I know that are in this group build. They are Matt over at Model Car Videos, Brian at BG's Model Workshop, Chuck at Chuck's Hobby Spot, Fred at Fred Henry, Kim at Kim's Custom Garage, and of course Mark at Hobby Dude 007, and of course Luca over at the Luks Cee Channel, the one that sent me the box of crap. All right, here's what we got. This is what we're dealing with. The bag of parts. And he said it's not all here either, which is fine with me. We'll figure something out with it. I don't know if I'll buy more kits to build 3 of them. I don't know if I'll do 2, but I definitely have to do this. He went out of his way to mail this to me. And I appreciate it, and I'm gonna do something with it. Again, the rules are you have to do a Monogram 70 GTX, you have to do a Revell 70 Roadrunner, and you can do anything you want with either kit. Start at September 15th, ends January 15th. Stick around for some updates. We'll have a bunch of them. We'll see what we do with this. We'll see you on the next episode on Throttle Power.